Hey, good morning. This is the Ueland tree farm, which the Ueland family has graciously opened up to the public with about 14 miles of trails and logging roads to do. Hoping to see the little waterfall and then a little outcropping where we can see the Olympics. You won't find this trail on the Washington Trail Association's website yet, but in Craig Romano's book, the Urban Trails Kitsap, it's a really good description of the various loops you can do here. So, thanks for coming along. Here's a cool nursery log. Here's a trillium. Here's some beautiful salmonberry blooms. So here's a turn off to the Dickerson Waterfall. Is that great? I'll show you real quick how to easily tell a hemlock from a Douglas fir. You can see the top of the hemlock, how it's bent over at the top. That's normal. And then for a Douglas fir, everything goes straight up. Nice elevation on this part. Good exercise. Hey, here we are. I'll give you a little panorama. That should be Mount Constance and Warrior Peak back there. And then looking at the peaks above Port Angeles through here. And then below is Hood Canal down there. And then as we swing north, you can see Mount Baker.